Today I'm giving you a very powerful and one of the most important thing in your manifestation journey. This is the technique, this is the tip, this is the strategy that you have to follow on a daily basis, and this is the simplest thing you can do with yourself, do every single day to start manifesting your goals, desires and dreams faster. This will make you a faster manifester. Yes, a person who can manifest his or her dreams and goals and desires faster than ever before. Are you excited? Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I believe all of you are believing in yourself and manifesting your goals, desires and dreams. Now, so many of you were requesting me and asking me to make more videos in Hindi and share it with all of you. I'm not sure how many of you are aware about it. We have a YouTube channel which is in Hindi, and that's on my name, Ajay Mishra. You can check the link here. And this Hindi YouTube channel we have been having for a few years, but because we are busy and not able to create the Hindi videos, but as I keep getting a lot of requests from all of you, me and my team have decided that we want to make more Hindi videos, and at least we should share few videos every week. So recently we have shared a manifestation technique video. If you are yet to check that video, if you are yet to subscribe and follow the Hindi channel, check the link in the description and join me on the Hindi channel. At the same time, we'll be keep making videos here on this English channel, so we are not going to slow it down, so don't be worried about it. Now, about today's process or technique, this is the technique, or this is, you can call it, the number one technique for you to become a faster manifester. And it's not about a kind of technique of the 2-cup method or 5-5-5 or any kind of method. It is something you have to remember and do it on a day-to-day basis, every single moment. And once you follow it, it will enhance your power of manifestation. Always remember, the law of attraction and manifestation is all about we are being a magnet who is attracting everything into our life. Now imagine this. I want you to understand this simple analogy or the process. Consider yourself like a magnet, an electromagnet. So how does an electromagnet works? This is the science behind the law of attraction. An electromagnet is nothing but a piece of steel which got electrified with the electric magnetic field. And when this electric magnetic field get activated, this steel, which was not a magnet before, it suddenly become an electromagnet, and then it can able to lift, or it can able to pull different magnetic material, ferrous material. So if there is a piece of steel which weigh around 1 kg or 10 gram or 100 grams, once it magnetized, it could able to lift 6 times its own weight. That is the beauty of the magnetic power, 6 times its own weight. But the moment you switch off, the moment the magnetic field goes off, it cannot able to lift anything, and whatever it has lifted, it does drop down. So this is the most important thing we have to understand. Like you and me are like this electromagnet. What is this magnetic power? The law of attraction is the magnetic power, but how can you activate it in attracting more things into your life? By activating that magnetic switch, by switching on that magnetic power, and whatever energy you flows in this magnetic power of yours, that's what you attract. So in simple terms, if I would say, law of attraction is all about whatever you feel the most, you attract the most. Remember this. Law of attraction is about whatever you feel the most, you attract the most. Yes, that is the law of attraction. So now, how you can attract more things into your life? By feeling good, by feeling as good as possible. Yes, that is the key. That is the number one thing you have to understand, that you have to focus on feeling as good as possible throughout the day. Even if when you are applying some techniques, even when you are not applying some techniques, even when good things are happening with you, and even when not so good things are happening with you. Still, you have to focus on feel as good as possible. And feeling as good as possible means sometimes you can feel excited, happy, joyful, motivated, like the way you feel while watching my videos. And sometimes, if there is a difficult time going on or some challenges are going on, feeling as peaceful as possible, looking for the solution, being the optimistic person, and not get angry, not get sad, not get distracted. Because remember the law of attraction, whatever you feel the most, you attract the most. That's why whatever you feel, that kind of magnetic energy you activate in this whole magnet that you are. Your mind, body and soul have this magnetic power, and whatever magnetic power you activate, that's what the law of attraction deliver or give you into your life. So the question is, what do you want to attract more? I'm sure happiness, joy, love, success, abundance, prosperity, wealth, luxury, opulence, all the good things, all the happy things, all the magical moments, all the magical experiences, meaningful goals, successful goals, worthy goals, being someone phenomenal, being someone worthy, doing something extraordinary, and achieving something really, really magical in life in every dimension. Health, happiness, prosperity, love, joy, happiness, health, prosperity, all kind of things you want. So what is the core of all these good things that you want? It's feeling good, feeling happy, feeling joyful, feeling positive, feeling excited. So what is the number one way to be a great manifester, be a positive manifester, be a person who manifests more and more good in his or her life? By reminding yourself that I have to feel as good as I can all through the day, because our life is consist of these days, and days are consist of these moments. So how you are feeling every single moment is the key. Right now you are watching this video because you choose to feel positive, you choose to get motivated, you choose to learn something meaningful so that your life will get better. You could have done anything else at this moment. You could have complained about something, someone, blame someone, doubt something, be stressful, be anxious, cry for something, get angry on someone. But you have chosen this moment to learn something from me, to understand something more about the universe, the law of attraction about life, so that you want to make your life better. So it proves that you are a much more positive person than many other people around. But you have to continue yourself in this process. So this is the number one thing I want you to remember from today, that you have to promise yourself that I am going to feel as good as possible every single moment. Of course, there are moments when maybe because of some circumstances, some people around you may not be able to feel good, but that's okay. Try to feel peaceful, try not to get sad, try not to get stressful, try not to get distracted. And when you remember that I have to feel as good as possible, you keep your energy in the positive state. And then your positivity goes higher, then your vibration goes higher, then your magnetic power gets stronger, and you could able to attract 6 times more happiness, 6 times more joy, 6 times more abundance, 6 times more love, 6 times more prosperity. And we are not just that piece of steel which get magnetized and only attract 6 times more of its own weight, but we are the magnet, human magnet, and we have the potential to even attract 60 times more, 600 times more, 6,000 times more, and even 6 million times more than what we have right now. So never ever doubt yourself, never ever forget that you are a human magnet who is attracting all the things into your life, good and bad, happy and sad. So choose more goodness, choose more positive feelings, choose more prosperity, choose more peaceful experience, choose more joyful experience, choose more success, and that you can choose every moment. No matter what techniques you are applying, no matter what you are manifesting, no matter what you are going through, make sure that this should be a reminder for you that you choose to feel as good as possible, as much as possible during the day, every single moment. And one thing you can do, make a note. Maybe you can take a A4 size paper, or you can create a poster in your phone, and make it a note that I choose to feel as good as possible. I choose to feel as good as possible every moment. You can make this note so that you can see every day, and it will be a reminder for you. And right now I want you to do this thing, to tell the universe and to tell your subconscious mind, pause this video and go to comment section and write that I choose to feel as good as possible every moment. I choose to feel as good as possible every single moment during the day. So that's a reminder, and that's something you have to start doing. And let me tell you, once you start following it, you will be start manifesting so many things even without putting a lot of effort, without putting a lot of intention, without putting a lot of energy towards that, because it will be a lot easier for you to become a magnet for all the good things in life. And many people whom you see as the lucky people, many people whom you see as who get things, manifest things easily and effortlessly, consciously, unconsciously, they are doing this thing only. They are focusing on feeling as good as possible in every moment. That's why they become a magnet of great manifestations, faster manifestations, and regular manifestations. And you too can. So if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love, share it in your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, Facebook groups, and let people know that they too can manifest their goals, desires and dreams. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and be part of our awesome tribe. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes, you should check out powerful programs on our Awesome Easy Academy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.